Short hair is having a moment, and while it may look amazing on others, it can be tough deciding whether you should go for the chop or not. The good news is that pretty much anyone can rock short hair, it's just about getting the right cut. Maybe you've already started scrolling Instagram for inspiration and have a celebrity's style in mind that you'd like to copy. That's a great place to begin, but there are a few things to consider first, like will that particular cut look good on you? As you're contemplating your chop, take the following into account: your hair's texture, your face shape, and your lifestyle. It's all fun and games when you're lusting after a pin-straight pixie crop until you realize you'd have to straighten your corkscrew curls daily in order to achieve the look. To put things in perspective and help you narrow down which shortcuts are right for you and your hair type, we tapped professional hairstylists. Watch on for their expert insight on the many different short styles available to you.